13 is launching on October 30th and will run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It has a great Q10 10-bit display, a 50-megapixel triple camera setup, a large battery, fast charging, and more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the IQOO 13. The phone is expected to launch in the UK next month. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's get to the unboxing. Here's the IQOO 13 box in black. Let's remove the plastic wrap and open the lid. The first thing you see is the phone itself. The box is a bit thick, but the phone isn't that thick. Inside the box, you get a SIM ejector tool, user manual, transparent case, Type-C to C data cable, and a power adapter. There's also a BMW co-branded card. The power adapter uses a Type-C interface and supports a maximum output of 120 watts. The charging speed is the same as the previous generation, IQOO 12. Now, let's talk about the design and build of the IQOO 13. The front of the phone has a flat screen design, and the screen size is 6.78 inches, just like the IQOO 12. However, once you turn on the screen, you'll notice the difference. The bezels are thinner compared to the previous generation, and the screen-to-body ratio is higher. I'll share more details about the selfie camera in the full review video. And I'll also announce the upload date for the detailed review at the end of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. Now let's look at the back of the IQOO 13. This is the Legendary Edition, and there are 3 more color options available. In this edition, the back is made of glass with a frosty feel, so it offers a good grip when you hold it. IQOO phones are usually designed for gaming, which is why it has a flat screen. We'll cover the gaming test of the IQOO 13 in the detailed review. On the back, the IQOO logo is still placed on the left side, along with BMW's tricolor pattern. The camera module looks similar to the previous generation, with a square outer design and a circular inner design. It has 3 camera lenses and a ring LED flash. Compared to the previous generation, there are 2 changes. First, the periscope telephoto lens has been removed, and second, the flash design has changed to a ring flash. The ring LED looks quite unique from the side, and this time there's a marquee-like LED around the camera module, which adds special light effects. Now, looking at the frame placements. On the right, you have the volume rocker and power button. At the top, there's a speaker and the primary microphone. The left side is plain. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom firing speaker. The phone's frame is made of metal, and this time it has advanced textures. The in-hand feel is good, and the phone isn't too heavy, making it comfortable to hold with one hand. So, that was the first impression of the IQOO 13. I'll upload the in-depth review on October 30, so be sure to subscribe and join our tech team to watch it first. Also, I've already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review of all the phones in Vivo's flagship X200 series. If you haven't watched them yet, you'll find the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. See you in the next tech video. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.